Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to sign Mystery Player Event Week 2 in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So if you already uncover he is from MLS or the first one from Saudi League, you can choose one of them. But before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how to challenge the event, how you can complete the mission so you can get ton of reward from this game. So let's get started by tap play button, tap live events, and tap mystery signings. So welcome to mystery signings. You can reveal player clue to pick mystery player reward and accumulate progress in getting the milestone reward. So this is the week 2. In the first week, I'm choosing Alexis Max Alistair from Liverpool. And this is the week 2. Make sure you already unlock player 1 clue, uncover player 1, and the first player will show up. Also player 2 clue, uncover player 2, and the second player, Lorenzo Insigne, is the mystery player. So you can only choose one of them to become available into your squad. And in this occasion, I choose Wesley Fofana. I need center midfielder here. Please choose what you need, not what you want. Tap free, and I've got him. Mystery signing, Seko Fofana. And the milestone become 2 player. One more player, we can get the reward. 1 milestone reward. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.